First of all, to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. So when you tap on your network and internet, tap on mobile network, then it selects the network you're using. Then after that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced. Then after that, scroll and tap on preferred network type. Then you have to select 4G/3G/2G or 2. After selecting this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So after restarting your device and this problem is still not getting fixed, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store app. Then after that, check for the latest update of this app. And when you check and you are seeing open over here, just leave it like that. But when you are seeing updates, just tap on it to get the latest updates. So after updating your app, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for the app name. So when you find the app, just tap on it for some while and tap over here, which is the app info. So when you tap on it, it's going to send you to the app info of this app. Then after that, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Then what you have to do next is to tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back, then you tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. After turning it on, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi to make sure the background data is turned on. After that, go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. After doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart to get your device restart or reboot your device. After rebooting your device, this problem is going to get fixed. When this problem is just fixing, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store app and search for the name of the app. Now scroll and type in app supports. Then after that, so you're going to see the email of the developer of this app. Just pick the email and send your problem to the email and you're going to get a reply from them to get how to fix this problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one.